Wabici-inĩ cia thirikari ya kaunti ya Nakuru nĩkuo ngirimiti ĩno ĩkĩranĩirwo thaĩri gatagatĩ ga thirikari ya kaunti na gĩkundi gĩkĩ. Kĩoneki kĩnene arĩ kũhũra arĩmi njeki matũũra-inĩ na njĩra ya kũgacĩrithia ũrĩmi wa kĩrĩu.
The MOU will signify greater collaboration because we realize that for systems change we must work not only closely with the county government but also the communities that we serve.
Because we have been working without a structure, but today we are happy because we have a structure on how to work with our development partners.
Gĩkundi gĩkĩ gĩkoretwo kĩgĩtungata gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ na makĩria kaunti-inĩ ya Nakuru makĩria ma mĩaka 50 mĩhĩtũku hatarĩ ngirimiti. Ngirimiti ĩno rĩu arĩ ya kũgacĩrithia ũruti wa wĩra gatagatĩ gakĩo na thirikari.
There's been a very big shift in climate, and because of that we need to be able to adapt new farming technologies, new farming methods, and SNV is empowering our women and our youth in be able to adapt to climate resilient farming and agriculture.
With the climate change that is upon us, we are interested in supporting these businesses and these farmers to become climate resilient through adopting and promoting climate smart agricultural practices and technologies.
Because this MOU is going to go a long way in helping us, especially in agriculture. And also the SMEs are going to benefit a lot from this signing of an MOU today.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV kuma kaunti-inĩ ya Nakuru. Rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Robert wa Maina.